Namaste. Subject CA exam stands for Chartered Account Exam. Paper 3 Business Mathematics, Logical Reasoning and Statistics. One paper, 2 hours, 100 marks. Chapter 1 Ratio and Proportion, Indices, Logarithms. Padukas MCQ Bank for CA CPT. Ratios, basics, quantitative aptitude ratios. So first question, ratio exists only between quantities of same kind. Okay. Ratio exists only between quantities of dash kind. Option A same, option B bigger, option C smaller, option D none. So ratio exists only between quantities of same kind. Second question, a ratio is a dash. Option A unit, option B term, option C number, option D function. So a ratio is a number. Third question, the order of the terms in a ratio is important. Option A true, option B false, option C partially true, option D none of the above. See, the order of the terms in a ratio is important. Yes, it's true. Next, fourth question. A ratio is expressed in dash form. Option A simplest, option B complicated, option C moderate, option D functional. A ratio is expressed in simplest form. Fifth question. Ratio has no unit. Option A true, option B partially true, option C false, option D none of the above. So option A is the correct answer. Ratio has no unit, so that is true. Sixth question, if A is to B equal to C is to D, then option A AB equal to CD, option B AC equal to BD, option C AD equal to BC, option D AB equal to AD. So A is to B anta heladre A by B. Okay. Equal to C is to D anta heladre C by D. So then cross multiply A into D equal to B into C. So option C is the correct answer. Okay. Thank you so much.